Forgot the password, PIN, or pattern on your OPPO phone and can't get into the device? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 3 ways to factory reset an OPPO phone without the screen password. Method 1. Factory reset OPPO with recovery mode. The first method is to use recovery mode. This is especially useful when you've forgotten your screen password and can't access the settings app. First, turn off your OPPO phone. Once the device is completely powered off, press and hold the appropriate button combination for your OPPO model to enter recovery mode. When the recovery mode menu appears, select the language if required. Then look for an option such as wipe data or format data. Select it and follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may be asked to enter a verification code or confirm the operation. After confirming, the phone will begin erasing the data. Once the process is complete, choose the option to restart or reboot the device. Your OPPO phone should then start up and display the initial setup screen. Keep in mind that the exact recovery mode steps and menu names can vary depending on your OPPO model and color OS version. Method 2. Erase OPPO phone remotely. Another possible option is to erase your OPPO phone remotely. This method only works if your device and account meet the necessary requirements, such as being connected to the internet and having a supported device finding feature enabled. On another phone or computer, sign into the account associated with your OPPO device. If your phone appears in the available device list, select it. Then choose the option to erase or factory reset the device and follow the instructions. Once the erase command reaches your phone, the device will be reset. Afterward, you'll need to go through the initial setup process again. If this option isn't available for your device, don't worry, you can try the next method. Method 3. Use MagFone Android Unlocker. If your OPPO phone is locked and you want a guided computer-based solution, you can also try MagFone Android Unlocker. Launch the program and connect your OPPO phone using a USB cable. From the main interface, select Remove Screen Lock. Choose the appropriate option for your device if prompted. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to put your OPPO phone into the required mode. Depending on your device, MagFone will guide you through the necessary steps. Once the process is finished, your phone will restart and you can go through the setup process again. And that's how to factory reset an OPPO phone without a password. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the MagFone channel for more Android unlocking tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.